welcome back to my channel. My name is Millie. I'm a first-time mom to a 1-year-old named Zariq, and I'm running a project called 101 Days of Summer where I'll be vlogging for 101 days straight. And today we're going to
a pool.
Where are we going?
Pool. No, not easy beach. It is water.
We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach and we're all ready to go. So I will see you guys there. We made it to the beach. Hey. Look! You got this in, man? Come on, let's go see the water. Come on. Oh, you're going for it. Zariq is not a fan. Not a fan of the beach. But look at all these little fish. I don't know if you guys can see them. Look. I'm still eating.
I think you have to go all the way across.
I didn't have to get out.
Try it or no?
Okay, we're gonna go back in the water. You ready? You ready? You want more? Do you want more? Go get it. You making a sandcastle? What are you making? Ta-da! Good job. Okay, go ahead. No, go ahead. Ah! Yay! Yeah. You gonna put your glasses on? It's our mama's, huh?
Thank you.
They don't fit. Is that Num Noms? We're leaving the beach now. We had a good time. Look at Mila. You sleepy? Yeah. Whew. Did you have a good time?
Yes.
Zariq, what are you doing?
Oh.
We made it home from the beach and we had some pizza. Now we're just playing with some toys. And we're gonna relax today. Well, it's almost bedtime. We're getting ready for bedtime.
Give me the hits.
We put Kaya's sheets in the wash and then we're all gonna take showers and get in bed. Yeah, I went to go pour Zariq milk to go to bed, and of course we had no milk left, so I'm at the store literally in pajamas. Whoa. This little girl just rode her bike past me. What? But yeah, all I'm gonna do is get milk and go home. Ugh. I hate leaving the house after I take a shower. It just makes me feel so gross. I won't take another shower. Okay, I got the milk. I just got 2% because this is what my mom drinks, and I just gave Zariq the last of her milk. And I'll get Zariq's milk from a different store because it's so hot here. It really don't make no sense to get it. I'm down the wrong aisle. I was just being nosy for a second to see what was down these aisles. They got beach balls and stuff, but I don't really see anything that I need. Okay, we're good to go. Yay, all done? Okay, I'm back from the store. I'm tired. I'm ready to go to bed. I'm going to close this vlog out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. We had a really good day at the beach. Did you guys have fun at the beach?
Yeah.
They're in trouble.
And I'm tired and
I'm tired and have an attitude too. So yeah, you're also tired and have an attitude. Okay, we'll see you later. Love you. Bye.